What's up, guys? I'm here with the Haiboxing HBX Ratchet. It's a 1/18 scale 4-wheel drive buggy. Check this out, man. This thing is pretty cool. Done a few runs, check them out. Also put some lights on it as usual. Gonna do an FPV run for you guys. Check it out. Got the all-in-one camera right there and the Firefly Q6 for the HD and a little 1S LiPo at the back. All right, so let's do it, man. All right, let's do a run before the FPV. Yeah, this thing is pretty quick for the size. Not bad at all. Yeah, check out the lights. Yeah, put some lights on this thing, man. The ones you see now, the stock lights, are actually brighter than they would be because I took the covers off. They're kind of dim. And I added a few other lights. But yeah, this thing is fun, man. Has some small wheels, so it's better on a smoother surface. All right, FPV time. Let's do it.